A pizza is a blank canvas, waiting to be transformed into a masterpiece. It's a food that welcomes creativity, allowing chefs and home cooks alike to experiment with flavors and textures. Today, we're exploring a unique pizza creation, the cheesy smoked oyster pizza, a delightful blend of rich, smoky, and cheesy goodness. This innovative recipe comes from the mind of Thomas Tate, a culinary enthusiast with a knack for bold and daring flavors. Thomas was a home cook with a passion for bold flavors, always seeking to push the boundaries of traditional recipes. He loved the smoky taste of oysters, a flavor that reminded him of seaside barbecues and gourmet dining. He thought they would be amazing on a pizza, adding a unique twist to a beloved classic. Thus, this cheesy, smoky delight was born, combining the best of both worlds in every bite. Thomas's recipe isn't just about combining interesting toppings, it's about careful preparation and attention to detail. Each ingredient plays a crucial role in the final flavor, from the dough to the cheese to the smoked oysters. We'll take you through each step, ensuring you can recreate this gourmet pizza at home. Get ready for a delicious adventure as we dive into the world of Thomas Tate's cheesy smoked oyster pizza. Good pizza starts with a good base. The foundation of any great pizza is its dough, and today, we're going to show you how to make a simple, yet delicious pizza dough from scratch. We're making a simple pizza dough that will be the perfect base for any toppings you choose. You'll need just a few basic ingredients: flour, water, yeast, salt, and a little olive oil. These simple ingredients come together to create a dough that's both flavorful and easy to work with. First, activate the yeast in warm water with a pinch of sugar. This step is crucial as it wakes up the yeast and gets it ready to work its magic. Let it sit until it foams. This usually takes about 5 to 10 minutes. The foaming action indicates that the yeast is alive and active. Next, combine the flour and salt in a large bowl. The salt adds flavor and helps to strengthen the dough. Make a well in the center of the flour mixture. This will help to incorporate the wet ingredients more evenly. Pour in the yeast mixture and olive oil. The olive oil adds richness and helps to create a tender dough. Mix until it forms a dough. You can use your hands or a wooden spoon to bring the ingredients together. Knead the dough for about 5 minutes. This process develops the gluten, which gives the dough its structure and chewiness. This develops the gluten and gives you a chewy crust. The more you knead, the better the texture of your pizza crust will be. Let the dough rise in a warm place for at least an hour. This allows the yeast to ferment and the dough to expand. It should double in size. Once it has risen, your dough is ready to be shaped and topped with your favorite ingredients. While the dough rises, prepare your toppings. This pizza features a simple combination: smoked oysters, mozzarella cheese, red onions, and garlic. Start by draining the smoked oysters thoroughly. Pat them dry with paper towels to remove excess moisture. Slice the red onions thinly and mince the garlic. Grate the mozzarella cheese yourself for the best melt and flavor. Remember, we want a crisp crust. Make sure all your toppings are as dry as possible. Section 4. Building a masterpiece, layering your cheesy, smoky pizza. This is where the magic happens, and we transform simple ingredients into a culinary delight. Preheat your oven to 450 degrees Fahrenheit or 232 degrees Celsius. This high temperature is crucial for achieving that perfect, crispy crust. If you have a pizza stone, place it in the oven to heat up. The stone will mimic the intense heat of a traditional pizza oven, giving your pizza an authentic touch. A hot stone helps create a crispy crust, ensuring every bite has that satisfying crunch. Punch down the risen dough to release the air, and divide it in half. This will make it easier to handle and shape. Roll out each half into a 12-inch circle. Make sure to use a lightly floured surface to prevent sticking. Brush the dough with olive oil. This not only adds flavor but also helps to create a golden, crispy base. Sprinkle a thin layer of grated mozzarella cheese onto each crust. This initial layer of cheese is essential for the perfect melt. This acts as a barrier to prevent the toppings from making the crust soggy. A soggy crust can ruin the entire pizza experience. Distribute the smoked oysters evenly over the cheese. Their smoky flavor will add a unique twist to your pizza. Scatter the red onion and minced garlic on top. These ingredients will provide a burst of flavor and aroma, making your pizza irresistible. Section 5. The bake achieving pizza nirvana in your oven. Carefully transfer the pizza onto the preheated pizza stone. If you don't have a stone, bake the pizza on a baking sheet. Bake for 12 to 15 minutes or until the crust is golden brown and the cheese is bubbly. Keep a close eye on the pizza while it bakes. If the edges start to brown too quickly, reduce the oven temperature slightly. Once baked, remove the pizza from the oven and let it cool for a few minutes before slicing and serving. Section 6, the final word. Enjoy your cheesy smoky reward. There you have it. Thomas Tate's cheesy smoked oyster pizza. It's a testament to the idea that any ingredient can shine on a pizza. The combination of smoky oysters, creamy mozzarella, and sharp red onion is truly delightful. Don't be afraid to experiment in the kitchen. You never know what delicious creations you might come up with. Try this recipe and tell us what you think. Share your culinary triumphs with the world. Happy cooking!